Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Statistics problems often look intimidating, but we can solve this quickly by extracting the frequency data, calculating relative proportions, and comparing the final sample statistics today. First, find the proportion of hybrid or electric cars in country A. Sum the frequencies for hybrid and electric, then divide by the total sample size of 1,000. Boom! Next, calculate the proportion for country B. Sum the hybrid and electric frequencies, then divide by the total sample size of 2,000. This is the climax of our comparison. Finally, compare the two values. Since 0.353 is less than 0.723, we evaluate the options to find the true statement. Done! Smart move! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Don't ignore totals or misread size. Always use relative rates and check all the data.